Hello and welcome back to another video from TrainingRite.com. In this video, we will be talking about our Ruby and Cucumber course. We basically cover a lot of ground in this course in the Ruby Cucumber capybara testing. Basically, the stuff which we go ahead and then do in this course are listed out on our website. So if you go to TrainingRite.com and then right under the courses, if you're looking for the Ruby Cucumber course, you will come to this page, and on this page you'll find that the different topics which we cover as a part of this course. This is a 1 month long course. Basically, we meet twice in a week. It's either offered on the weekend, Saturdays or Sundays, or it's offered on the weekdays in the evenings. And basically, these are the topics that we cover as a part of this course. Now, just trying to give you an overview from 40,000 feet as what we do in this course. We introduce you to Ruby language. We will cover everything about what it takes to write code in Ruby. So here are the different topics that we go ahead and then we cover. Major focus is on how we would be doing something called behavior driven development testing. So we will be focusing on BDD, and we will be focusing on how we use Cucumber to make it happen. Now, for the web application testing, even though you could be using Water or you could be using WebRat, we will be showing you both the Water as well as the Capybara, which happens to be the latest and the greatest automation framework as far as working with Ruby is concerned. So we will be showing you how to do that. RSpec is going to be used for assertions as a part of our Cucumber testing. So in this video, I basically would be showing you as how to create the environment. So here we go. Just on your machine, you got to be having Java installed on your machine. So if I go to my command prompt and look for the Java version, I can do a Java version, and then that should give me what version of Java I'm working on right now on my machine. So the one which I have is 1.6.0, and that is perfectly all right. The next in line that we need to test is whether we have a Ruby installed on our machine. So for that, I would go and do Ruby -ver and then hit enter. Now, as you notice that for the purpose of this video, I have uninstalled Ruby so that I could show it to you as how you could prepare your machine to do the Ruby and Cucumber testing. So in this short video, I will show you as how we could go ahead and then install whatever it takes to make that happen. Ruby can be installed on different operating systems. You can install Ruby, of course, on Linux, Unix, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to do it on Windows. So let's go and on Google try and do a little search on how to download Ruby and install it on your machine. Since this video will be covering the Windows part of it, there is something called a Ruby installer that will make it very easy for you to go ahead and then do that. So I'm going to take you directly to the Ruby installer. I'll do a search for it on Google, and then here we go to Ruby installer for Windows. As you can see, it is going to help you install Ruby 1.9.3. I'm going to click on download, and the stable version of Ruby right now as we speak is 1.9.3, even though this Ruby 2.0 is available. But I would basically go and then do this because it's always better if you go with the stable version. So as they recommended here, that the stable version of it is 1.9.3. So that's what we'll be doing. So here I go. I download that. Now this is about 14.7 megabytes, so it shouldn't take a long time to get downloaded. Once it gets downloaded, we could go ahead and then do the installation of that because it's an executable. So I click on that and run it. It is asking you to select the language. Of course, it is going to be English, and we accept the licensing. I would suggest that we go and then just read the licensing. Now, what it is going to ask you to do at this time is it's seeking your permission if it can go ahead and then add this Ruby path to your environment on your machine. What I mean by that is if you physically have to go and do that, then you would be coming and clicking on start and going into control panel. And if you go into your system and then look into the advanced system settings and into the environment variables, you'll find that here in the path, basically we will be mentioning the path of the Ruby system files with, and then that way it's easy for you to invoke Ruby from wherever you can on your machine. So rather than you manually coming and then doing all this, it is going to do that by asking you this permission of should it go and then add the Ruby executables to your path. So we'll just go ahead and then click on that. The next thing which it is going to ask you is, do you want to associate what is called the .rb and the .rbw files with this Ruby installation? This is basically the Ruby extension file, so you're better off clicking on that. So we'll select that. Now, as far as the install TCL/TK support, that's more for the GUI version of it. So as of now, I'm not going to do that, and because I will be using some of the tools like NetBeans or RubyMine or the poor man's tool, which is either Notepad or Notepad++. So right now, these are the two settings that I want to have. So I do that and then click on install. This is not a huge installation, so depending on the speed of your machine, it should go and get installed, as you can see, within less than a minute. So I do finish. Let me just cancel out from here. And now let me go back and try to check if I have Ruby installed on my machine. So here I go, and I would do Ruby version, and there it is. Ruby 1.9.3 has been installed on my machine. All right. Okay. So this is just the beginning of how to prepare for the environment. So I'm going to come back, and in the next video we'll be talking about a lot of other things as far as the gem files are concerned, how to use a gem to go ahead and install Cucumber and RSpec and all the different things that we need to complete the environment for our BDD testing, which we're going to be covering very soon as a part of the series. Okay, thank you again for watching this video, and we suggest and we recommend you to come back and take a look at our website, TrainingRite.com, and there are tons of videos out here, free videos, and depending on what is your interest, you would find that we are offering different courses, and then a lot of, as I was mentioning, like free videos that are available for you to increase your knowledge about any particular tool that you're looking for. Again, thank you, and we hope to see you back in the next video.